Alright, off to another fun day. So we got a project here. We got to figure out what we're going to do with it. So this is a chopper that has been more or less gifted to my videos. I paid a little bit for it, but not much. So we got to decide what we're going to do with this. An 80-inch Evo, 5-speed, 3-inch open belt drive, rigid frame, wide glide front end with butt ugly dump style exhaust pipes. So what do we want to do with this bike? I just do another video on fixing up a bike you just bought and doing minor maintenance to it and sell it. That'd be the smart thing to do. Take it apart and do something else with it. Take the powertrain out of this and put it in something else. That's the expensive thing to do with it. Or take what we got here and try to make something more pleasing to somebody. Pleasing to me, it's not this. Some people like this though. So what's our options? Leave comments. I'm not doing this right away. This will be something for next year. So we're in the end of October here right now. So we're looking project for later in the year or next year. So what do you think? What do you want to see? We got to do something with it. It's got a mag in the back, big tire. Looks like about a 180. And that might even be more than a 180. That might be a 200. I don't know, probably 180. So it's a wide tire frame. You can easily put a 200 back there if it doesn't have one on it. So it's got a big style Sportster tank on it, not the small one. Obviously got drag bars on it. It's got a custom headlight on it. You can see I don't have a lot of room in my shop for doing bikes. That's one reason why it's not staying. It's got a shin knocker for a license plate, which I really love, getting my shins back nailed. So there you go. All kinds of good stuff. Let's see, tripod's hidden, so we're going to do it this way for now. Let's move this thing over a little bit. It's already got a flat front tire I got to fix to even move it. So it's always nice when you get the maintenance to even store. It's got foot pegs that don't fold up, which I hate. It makes it hard to move stuff. Alright, now we can see the other side of the bike. So there's the front of the bike. So your normal wide glide, soft tail, open fork front end. Plain Jane stuff. Should have a fender on it to keep the crap off your face, but not everybody likes that. So there's your motor. Looks like it's got an E-carb on it. That works good. It's got some really nice billet controls. Accutronics. Not cheap stuff, expensive. Those are actually pretty good. It's got a PM brake in the back, which is really nice. So it's got some buck spin on this thing. The rear wheel's pretty nice quality too. The frame's your typical cheapo bike. It's a Midwest frame. The Midwest oil tank looks like also. You know, it's a standard chopper you throw together out of junk parts. That costs money, of course. But it's got their dump pipes, which I hate. Very noisy. Make the bike run like crap. Not good choice. Look good to somebody though, just not me. So anyway, there's your options. Give me some comments on what you want to do. What do you want to see done? You know, I'm gonna chop the frame up and raise it up off the ground a little bit. You know, make it back stock. You want to make it even worse? Make a fucking getter chopper or high up deal. Orange County chopper crap. That is not going to happen. There you go. You know, we can. I don't know. I'm pretty open. Whatever you want to do. There's not a lot of money invested in it at this point. So, like I said, we can either do something with it or just sell it the way it is. So, anyway, it's supposed to be a good running bike. So it's been sitting for a few months in storage. So it's nice and dirty right now, but it needs to have the normal stuff done to it, you know, check out stuff. For now, we got to put a tire or a tube in the front tire, which I just went and found one somewhere. Went everybody through it. So I'm gonna do that for sure, so it'll roll around. So it's pretty low to the ground, obviously. So anyway, it's just these are what they look like when you buy them. So these are the bikes you buy for, you know, 3 to 8 grand, depending on where you're at and what condition they're in. So they're obviously the better they are, the more they cost. Just having better components on it would be a little bit higher value probably, but it's all about what you put into it and what you get out of it. It's not the same. So I'm already doing my ugly bike where I'm putting making an old way of looking like a bike with a Springer, so I'm not sure I want to do that again. So I'll probably keep the wide glide fronted on it, be my guess. So I'm not in love at all with the back of the bike or pretty much anything about it. Me, I think I'd run a standard full exhaust, and you run a probably a set of fat bobs to cover up that ugly frame, or at least some kind of a better chopper tank than that one. I got some real nice aluminum tanks that are sit low over the saddle, would make this thing look a lot better than what it does now. See, this doesn't have fat valve mounts, so that might be the better option. So I got those floating around. Maybe we'll do that. The forward controls are, they are what they are. I'd rather have folding foot pegs on it, so maybe we'll do something there. I don't know. Sissy bars I do not like at all. Seat doesn't do a damn thing for me. So anyway, the rear fender, you know, needs to be a lot longer for me, but some people like that short fender crap. So I don't know. What's your options? Let me know. What do you want to see? We can make it look like a panhead, or we can make it look like a chopper. Oh, it's already a chopper. A better chopper. The headlight's okay, I guess. Nothing to write home about. Probably do a taller handlebar. It's too damn short. I don't feel like stretching out like that. I never did like my feet forward and hands forward. If my hands are forward, my feet are in the back. So the bars are definitely going to be different. So there you go. Decisions. Always a problem when you buy something. What do you do with it after you bought it? So anyway, there you go. We'll make some decisions, and like I said, leave your comments, and we got about 3-4 months worth of comments before we figure out what we're going to do. So for now, it's going to go up into storage. But first thing I do is get it into my name. Until it's my bike, I don't work on it. So we're going to get title into my name. So once it's into my name, then I own it, and then I can do what I want with it. So there you go. So let me know. Leave your comments.